Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to compare two values using logical operators. What is logical operators? Is something like greater than, less than, equal to, something like that. Okay. So how to use these operators to compare, and also greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So this kind of operators, so not equal to. Now what I'm going to do, I show you a few examples and a few operators how to compare two values and without if condition. Okay, usually we use if condition to compare, but in this case I'm showing you how to. Is it logical operators are capable to show the true or false, or the condition is true or false without if condition. Okay, so you see here the what I have is the product item 1 to 14 and 14 items, and I also have supplier 1 to supplier 1 values for item 1s to item 14, and also supplier 2 values for item 1 to item 14. The price, okay, for each item what is the respective supplier 1's price and supplier 2's price. Okay, this is my data, and I'll show you how to compare. For example, how we usually do compare supplier 1 price is greater than supplier 2 price or not. Usually we use if you compare supplier 1 price is 117. Okay, this is the condition. If supplier 1 is greater than supplier 2 cell value, not just value. Okay, then we put true. Okay, the true. If not, false. Okay, this is the way we usually compare. But now what happens without the if? You put just b2 greater than c2, it will return with a condition value. Okay, what is the value of that condition? Okay, how to do that? Just equal to just b2 greater than c2, enter. Okay, it comes with false. That means 105 is greater than 117. No, it is false. Correct. Okay, so the same way for the second condition, b3 is greater than c3. This is true because 107 and 106. So b2 is b4 is greater than c4. Okay, so similarly for all the values. So this way you can compare two values and get the conditions value. Okay, so I'll do the lesser than. Less than 17. Yes, true. See, all of them. If this is false, this is true because it's less than and greater than. But when it is equal, both of them are false. Equal. Okay, then I'll go and show you equal to sign. Equal to, this equal to is a formula equal to, and this is the value, and this is the logical operators, and this is the right hand side of the equation. Okay, false. Only the 109 and 109 is true. Okay, this is the way you can this is the way you can start using the conditional operators and get the true or false. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and I see you on next video, and God bless you.